Good morning, you filthy animals. It's currently Friday, the end of the trading week. Had a beautiful trading session this morning. I traded with my boy Frank. Got all that recorded. Didn't get to upload it yet. I'll upload it when I get back home. It's like 90 minutes long. Couldn't wait for it to render right now. But it will be uploaded before the sun goes down. Very, very beautiful trading day today. Analytical was on point. However, I wanted to come on here and speak a little bit more about trading psychology. Yesterday, I talked about maximizing wins and minimizing losses, which I've been able to minimize my losses very successfully. I think that's the biggest, most important skill to develop, and so I'm really proud of myself for that, and hopefully I can keep it up. However, today I failed to maximize my wins. I ended on a green week. We finished the week in green. Awesome. Great way to go into the weekend. Next week should be amazing. There should be plenty of opportunity. I could tell before market even opened, and you'll hear me talk about all this in the video live if you don't believe me. I say exactly what the market's going to do. I had a long bias going into market open. However, I wasn't provided with an entry, and so I didn't take one. We got a nice reaction off of sweeping the highs, so I started looking for some shorts, found a very good entry, took it, won the trade. However, in the middle of that trade, I decided to add to my position size, and it kind of moved my entry way more than I thought it would, which is why I ended up getting stopped out, because I moved my stop to break even on that entry. If I would have held my original trade, it would have been full TP, beautiful, and so I missed out on profits there. And then my original bias played out. We hit the order block that I had marked out with the liquidity sweep. Boom, fucking bull run instantly. So I missed out on points in my short, and then I locked myself out after that, which was smart. I can't complain. We hit that order block, missed those longs. Could have made way more today, and this is what I mean about maximizing your wins. Because if you don't maximize your wins, you're never gonna get ahead. That's the whole game. You got to make more than you lose. So I'm thinking about this to myself. I'm like, damn, that kind of sucks. But at the end of the day, we were green. Finished the week green. Won our trade today. And I started thinking a little bit more. Would I still be thinking this if price never hit my original TP? Would I still be thinking this if price ignored that order block? Probably not. I would be like, wow, that was smart of me to do. Good on me. So the bottom line is, you never really truly know what the market's going to do. You just have your edges and you have to play accordingly. It's difficult. It's difficult. I'm going to put up a screenshot. Well, I'll put up a screenshot. It already has how price played out, so it may look like I drew them after the fact, but my chart looks the exact same that it did at market open, which you'll see later today in that video. I'm still really proud of myself for that. I read the market very well today. If you're just getting into trading, that's what I suggest you do. Don't trade with live funds, obviously. But go into every market open and try and read what price is going to do. See if you were right. Once you can can start having correct biases consistently, then it's time to start taking trades. You just gotta nail down your entries. That's all I really have to say. Hope everyone has a great weekend, and hopefully before the end of the day, market can start consolidating a little bit below all-time highs. That would be awesome. We got pretty good news next week. Should have some pretty good volatility, great opportunity, and I'm excited. Hopefully we can maximize our wins next week and continue to minimize our losses, because that's always the goal. And I'll see you filthy animals then. Peace.